Follow these steps to make more money with Grubhub. Let's get started. Grubhub pays more during lunch and dinner, when demand is highest. Weekends, holidays, and bad weather days also lead to increased orders and higher tips. So consider drive during peak hours. Next, accept high-paying orders. Look for orders with high payouts and low mileage to maximize efficiency. Avoid low-tip, long-distance orders unless there is a bonus or a source pay. Drivers who schedule shift in advance get priority access to orders over those who log in at random times. Try to claim shift during promotional pay periods when Grubhub offers guaranteed earnings. Avoid areas with heavy traffic to complete more deliveries in less time. Park strategically to avoid long walks or delays at busy restaurants. Grubhub sometimes offers missions on extra for completing a set number of deliveries. Look out for bonus pay during busy times. Grubhub may offer higher rates when demand surges. Accept multiple orders from the same restaurant or close location to increase earning per trip. Be strategic. Don't take stacked orders that require excessive detours. Good service like friendly communication and fast delivery can lead to higher tips. If there is an issue with the order, keep the customer updated to maintain their satisfaction. Use apps like Stride or Everlens to track mileage for a tax write-off. Deduct expenses like gas, car maintenance, phone bills, and insurance to reduce your taxable income. Grubhub's premier drivers get first access to orders and better incentives. To qualify, maintain high acceptance rates, low cancellations, and a fast delivery time. By combining these strategies, you can increase your earnings and make Grubhub more profitable. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.